Okay, so I know I look like a bum right now, but I have to do my hair before I do my makeup because when I curl my hair, it takes like at least 30 to 40 minutes and I start sweating like a pig. So I've never chopstick curled my hair before, and this is the shortest my hair has been in a while. And I thought maybe since it's so short, it wouldn't take as long as it usually does when I curl my hair. And I'm scared because now I know it's gonna take longer because this is so thin. So hopefully this doesn't take like an hour. I'll just do one side with you guys. This will be my first time doing this, so I'm really nervous. I watched a few how-to videos to use this, so hopefully this goes well. But I just thought this video would be like 5 minutes long if I just did my makeup because the eye makeup is really easy. And I just thought it would be fun to watch me fail at this together. So this will be the first time you and I will see my hair this curly. I don't have a mirror in front of me, so I'm just gonna use my camera. When I was younger, I was obsessed with perming my hair. It only lasted for like a few weeks because my hair is so stick straight. But like, yeah, I was super obsessed with curling my hair. Ah! See, this is why I suck at curling my hair. Like everything around me is falling. I know you're supposed to curl it all the way at the end, but I feel like if I go further down, it'll just slip out of my hand. So I'm not gonna do all the way to the end right now. I think I'll do the ends when I'm done with this side. Okay. Already looks weird. You can see how horrible I am at curling my hair. That's why my hair stopped curling, because it's not plugged in anymore. Okay, I'm gonna have to do this in the bathroom, I'm sorry. Because the cord's not long enough and it keeps unplugging. I wanted to watch this with you guys. I obviously don't know what I'm doing, but I have to do the other side because then I'll look crazy. I mean, I don't have to. I can put my makeup on and just look like this. Okay, so I look insane. I'm gonna go put on some face makeup because if I do it right here, I'm gonna sweat some more and I'm sweating like crazy. I look like, what's that girl? A little blonde girl in... Okay, so please don't make fun of my hair. Thank you so much. Let's move on to the eye makeup. I'm telling you, it's gonna be really easy. I'm just gonna use 2 shadows and that's it. Okay, so first I'm gonna draw the outline of where I want the eyeshadow to be. You could use a concealer, but since I have like a green liquid eyeshadow, that's what I'm gonna be using instead of a concealer. And it's Inglot's Aquastic number 20. So I'm gonna draw that on, and on top of that, I'm gonna be using September Rose Slush palette. I'm gonna be using these 2 shades, Cucumber Lime and this light lime green one. So the lime all over the lid and the darker one in the outer corner, and bam, you're done. Like, I'm telling you, this will take 5 minutes. Oh my gosh, my hair looks so funny. Okay, now I'm gonna use my Anastasia number 3 brush to make it more detailed and straight. Again, this is getting clumpy and flaky on me. I swear, every single liquid thing I put on my eye, it becomes all flaky. Okay, I think that's good. I don't know if I want to make it bigger because I feel like... Should I make it bigger? No, I think that's fine right there. Okay, and on to the other side. Okay, I think that's good for now, so I'm just going to put the deeper green on the outer corner. I'm just going to use an e.l.f. smudge brush and the shade Cucumber Lime. I feel like I belong in the 90s or like the 80s with this hair. I don't remember this hairstyle being so popular back in the 90s. It could be, but I don't remember. So again, just tapping that on. I'm gonna have to use my Anastasia brush again to get in all the details in the corner. See, like right here, because the normal big brush can't really fit there. Okay, and all over the lid, I'm gonna go in with Lemon and Lime, that lighter lime green. And just pack it on all over. And see there, you're like basically done. And again, just getting those corners. Okay, you know what? I actually want this to be a little bit more shimmery, so I'm going to be using Makeup Geek's Limelight. I'll just use my fingers first. Okay, I think that's a little better. Brighten it up a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna put that lighter lime green on my lower lash line. And then the darker green. Okay, let me go and put on some liner and mascara and I'll be right back. Okay, so kudos to you girls who have curly hair like this, because I have no idea how the hell to style this. Like, I love curly hair, but oh my gosh, I don't know how to style this. Okay, let's just move on to lips. This is actually why I wanted to do this video. Oh wait, no, let's move on to highlighter. So if I'm doing a natural, like spring fresh look, I always use my Charlotte Tilbury Spotlight highlighter, because out of all my highlighters, this looks the most natural, but is like the most expensive. And I just hate the packaging because I feel like it could get so unsanitary. But since I want this to be like a spring fresh dewy look, I'm gonna use it. Like, I've used this 4 times and I feel like there's nothing left in the tube. Like, this is my only highlighter that doesn't accentuate like all my breakouts or bumps on my cheeks. Like, it just makes it look so nice and wet. Please, Charlotte Tilbury, put this in like a dropper form, or just something where it doesn't waste, because this highlighter is way too expensive for how much product you get. But still, it's one of my favorites. See, it's so nice and dewy, like, ooh. Okay, I'll stop. Okay, so let's move on to the whole reason I wanted to do this video, the lipstick. I'm going to be using Nabla Cosmetics Vivid Velvet Liquid Lipstick and the lip liner that goes along with it. This is actually all I wanted to do for my spring look. I just wanted to do a pink lipstick and nice dewy highlighter and like nothing on the eyes. But when I looked up spring makeup, that's literally like all that popped up. Bright pink lips and nothing on the eyes, and I was like, crap, I can't do that. And then when I found this look, I was like, okay, that's a little bit different, and here we are. I feel like this hair is making me want to draw like little tiny freckles all over my face. I hate my freckles, but this hair is just making me feel like drawing it all on my face. Oh my gosh, this hair just keeps getting in my face. Okay, I just tied up my hair and I think this hair looks more doable because it's not like all heavy all over my face. Okay, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the next one.